Hello everyone, I am Sugat Pawar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I am going to explain the introduction to open loop control system. Open loop control system. This is the schematic of open loop control system. The system in which the output is neither measured nor feedback for comparison with the set point. That set point is nothing but our reference input. That is called as open loop control system. The control signal in open loop control system does not depend on the system output. Control signal depends on set point, and for every set point the control signal profile is predefined from the calibration of system. Open loop systems are highly sensitive to disturbances and uncertainties. Open loop systems can perform satisfactorily only if the system behavior is perfectly known and the system is not affected by the disturbances. Now the features of open loop control system. It is highly sensitive to disturbance and uncertainties. The control signal is dependent of system output. Output is not feedback for comparison with set point. For such a type of control systems, accuracy is less because output is not depends on the input or there is no any feedback, so accuracy is less. At the same time, bandwidth is also less, but the stability is not major problem. Most of the systems are stable systems, that is most of the open loop control systems are stable systems. Complexity of such a systems are less, and obviously the cost is less. Examples of open loop control systems: traffic signal. Here output is not depends on the input. Automatic washing machine. Here also same thing. It will not check what type of input, that is the cloths you are going to pour it. Toast maker. Here also same thing. Output is not depends on input. Whether you are giving toast or bread as an input, it will not check. And last example is home heating system without sensing feedback and control. Thank you.